What makes a pro telephoto lens truly versatile? The Nikon NIKKOR Z 70 200mm f2.8 VRS. Today we're breaking down the NIKKOR Z 70 200mm f2.8 VRS, bundled with a three-piece filter kit, cap keeper, and cleaning kit for Nikon Z cameras in DX format use. Constant f2.8 across the 70 200mm range means consistent exposure and creamy background blur from the corner to the center. ARNEO, Nano Crystal Coat, and a super integrated coating tame ghosting and flare, boosting contrast in challenging light. A dual AF drive system with stepping motors delivers fast, quiet autofocus for both stills and video. Internal focusing and full-time manual focus override keep handling smooth without changing the lens balance. On FX format bodies, you get true full-frame performance. On DX format bodies, about 105 300mm equivalent. The bundle adds a filter kit, cap keeper, and cleaning kit. Bottom line, superb image quality, reliable AF, and true pro versatility, but it's heavy and pricey. If you need a top-tier tele for Nikon Z, this bundle is hard to beat.